Hey friends, welcome back to Daily Dish Recipes for the Soul. I'm Nikki Williams, your host, and today features a heart-healthy protein that's both flavorful and quick to prepare. Let's dive in. Did you know that salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and brain function? Today's recipe is spiced salmon fillets. You're going to need 2 salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Simply Spiced Cajun Blend, a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and lemon wedges for serving. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You're going to brush the salmon fillets with the olive oil on both sides, and then you're going to rub the fillets with my Simply Spiced Cajun Blend, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. And then you're going to place the fillets on the prepared sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon flakes easy with a fork. Serve with lemon wedges and your favorite side and enjoy a flavorful, nutritious meal. Salmon has always been a go-to meal for me because it's versatile, it's quick, and it's very satisfying. And with the right seasonings, it feels like a gourmet meal made easy. Remember, guys, to check out my ebooks and stay tuned for my Simply Spiced Seasoning Blend launch. Stay in contact with me at SimplyNikkiVibes and on my podcast website at iamthetravelguru.podbean.com. Thank you for tuning in today. Join me tomorrow as we continue our bariatric-friendly week with another delicious recipe. Until then, stay healthy and inspired. Bye, guys. Hey friends, welcome back to Daily Dish Recipes for the Soul. I'm Nikki Williams, your host, and today features a heart-healthy protein that's both flavorful and quick to prepare. Let's dive in. Did you know that salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and brain function? Today's recipe is spiced salmon fillets. You're going to need 2 salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Simply Spiced Cajun Blend, a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and lemon wedges for serving. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You're going to brush the salmon fillets with the olive oil on both sides, and then you're going to rub the fillets with my Simply Spiced Cajun Blend, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. And then you're going to place the fillets on the prepared sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon flakes easy with a fork. Serve with lemon wedges and your favorite side and enjoy a flavorful, nutritious meal. Salmon has always been a go-to meal for me because it's versatile, it's quick, and it's very satisfying. And with the right seasonings, it feels like a gourmet meal made easy. Remember, guys, to check out my ebooks and stay tuned for my Simply Spiced Seasoning Blend launch. Stay in contact with me at SimplyNikkiVibes and on my podcast website at iamthetravelguru.podbean.com. Thank you for tuning in today. Join me tomorrow as we continue our bariatric-friendly week with another delicious recipe. Until then, stay healthy and inspired. Bye, guys.